I'm here today with another wonderful video, how to make mango powder for your poultry farm. But before then, we are going to look at some benefits and then how to prepare this mango powder, and how often do we give mango powder to our chicken, and the quantity that we are supposed to give them. So you are welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So let's get into the video. We are going to look at some benefits of mango leaves to our chicken. I made a video on that, and how to make how to prepare mango leaves as juice and serve it to our chicken. But in today's video, we are going to see how we are going to prepare mango powder. Mango powder is so that we'll be able to add it to their feed. So I want us to discuss some few benefits of mango leaves. Number one benefit is that it boosts the immunity of our chicken, which makes your chicken to be in good health always, all the time. You see your chicken very strong, jumping here and there. Mango leaves helps in boosting their immunity. Another benefit is that it also boosts the growth of our chicken, especially if you are into broiler farming. You can be rest assured that within 6 weeks your broiler chicken have the required weight. So are you into broiler farming? Why not try mango leaves? You can prepare it as powder, and you can prepare it as juice and add to their drinking water. I've made a video on how to do that. The video is on my channel. How to, maybe you want to prepare it as juice and serve it to your birds. And then, since this specific video is how to make it as powder, how to make mango powder. The first thing you need to do is to get your mango leaves. Get your mango leaves. You wash them thoroughly. When looking for mango leaves, if you can get the fresh ones, you can use the fresh ones. If you cannot get the fresh ones, you can use the matured leaves. Matured leaves are very hard to prepare, but it serves the same purpose, either fresh one or the matured leaves. The only difference is that the fresh leaves are very easy to prepare. And then you get your mango leaves, you wash them thoroughly. So after washing them, we are going to pound them, because these hard leaves cannot be easily chopped. If it is fresh ones, you can chop them, and then you can chop the fresh ones. These leaves are matured leaves. They are a bit stronger than the fresh leaves. So while pounding, we'll continue. And another benefit is that it also contains calcium, which is important for bone development and egg shell formation in our layer chicken. Can you see? Mango leaves has so many benefits in our poultry farm. So I'm done pounding. You just pound it roughly. You pound it roughly instead of leaving the leaves like that, so that it will be easy to dry. So I'm done pounding. Now we are going to dry it under the shade. I'm going to dry it under the shade. You can air dry them, the leaves. So our mango leaves are properly dried. Our mango leaves are properly dried. Can you see? So the next thing we are going to do now is, if you have a blender, you can use a blender to blend it into powder, while I'll be using mortar to pound it. You can pound it, you can use a blender to blend, and if you want to prepare it in a large quantity, you can take it to commercial grinder and they can grind it into powder. Mango leaves are not easy to pound. They are a bit strong even when it looks dry. So I'm going to pound it. So as you can see, mango leaves has so many benefits in our poultry farm. And another benefit of this mango leaves is that it contains magnesium, which is important for muscle function, energy production, and bone health in our poultry farms. Mango leaves has so many benefits. As I said earlier, you can use it as juice and then you add it in their water. I've made a video on that, how I use mango juice, how I use mango leaves to boost my egg production. I've made a video on my channel. So I'm done pounding. Mango leaves are very hard to pound, even when it looks dry. So if you have a blender, it's better you blend. So after pounding, we are going to mix it in their feed. We are going to mix it. You are going to mix it in their feed. You are going to take